dear amigos. Yes, you listen. Listen carefully. I've got a secreto for you. I will tell you what's coming, what new surprises awaits you, and what new videos I'll be uploading very soon. Dear friends, queridos amigos, I wanted to take this opportunity to talk with you, just briefly. Yes, personally talking to you who are listening and watching my video right now. Thank you very much for helping me grow my channel. Today we've reached 13,000 subscribers and we've been growing 1,000 new subscribers per week. So, muchas gracias, my dear amigos. I wanted to take this opportunity to upload this special, just to let you know and inform you what's coming up, what's going to happen in the future. No matter where you're from, you'll always be the founding members, subscribers of my channel. And you are very special because you are one of the founding subscribers to my channel. And a special thanks to YouTube and Google for making this possible also. I've never thought that people all over the world would watch these videos. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Google. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please let me extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my channel. My name is Mr. Brigs. I'm a fully qualified Spanish teacher. I upload videos every Friday. So click the red button, the bell so you get notifications, and join us. Start learning Spanish with us and become part of our beautiful Spanish learning family. Welcome, bienvenido. I know some of you want to see me. Well, how about if we set a goal? If we ever make it to 100,000 subscribers, I may upload a face reveal and do a few things live, but only 100,000. I'm very shy, so we'll see how that goes. I'm just a little bit shy. Now, what does the future have in store for our channel? I will continue uploading more videos for the playlist, especially devoted for teachers and students with well-structured lessons. There's also a playlist that I created discussing regional Spanish across the many Spanish-speaking countries. I will be adding more countries. Very soon, I will upload a video about Dominican Republic. A playlist for our never forgotten brothers from the Philippines will also be uploaded in the near future. And attention, friends from Jamaica, yes, Jamaica, which was once a Spanish colony also. You are never forgotten, our dear friends and brothers. There will be a video coming up about Jamaica. A lot of you enjoy music. Very soon, I will also be uploading a new song to the songs playlist. The most watched video in my channel is the Buenos Dias song. If you haven't watched it yet, check it out. There will be more songs specifically written to assist you with memorizing and storing Spanish in your long-term memory with key vocabulary and sentence structure. I will also be uploading and providing you some interesting facts about Spanish in the Interesting Facts Spanish playlist. And also, we haven't forgot our doctors and nurses. There is a playlist specifically for doctors and nurses in our channel. You like pets, animals? Don't forget to check Kiko and Angel the cat. They will help you learn Spanish as well. You'll find their videos in the playlist in my channel. The Spanish-speaking world is a rich and varied world, full of secrets and excitement and beautiful experiences in store for you to discover. Ready to offer you a new and satisfying life, richer life. Soon, the avenues will be open once again. You will be able to go through the newly open avenues and travel to distant lands once again. In the meantime, why don't you make it a goal to learn Spanish? Prepare, get ready, because the day is coming when the avenues, the wide avenues will be open once again, the airports, and you will be able to travel to discover new countries, new cities, new people, new food, new experiences. Now is the time for you to take advantage of this time and learn Spanish. Who knows what awaits you in the store? Maybe love, friendship, and a wide range of experiences awaits for you in the near future. Soon, you'll be on a plane flying to the Spanish-speaking world once again. Take care, amigos, and learn Spanish. Subscribe.